Hey everyone, I wanted to show you quickly a new feature that we just added. It's the hide blank rows in the comparison table. So when you go to manage test results and then you select your client, you know how you see the test results here, but then underneath in the blood work comparison table, it defaults. Now there'll be a checkbox here, hide blank rows, and it defaults with that checked on. And it'll hide all the blank rows. So now when you print the PDF, you're only going to have the rows that have values across every test that's in the report. So you could see here, like usually the iron markers would be underneath here. So if I uncheck that, you can see these two, the corrected reticulocyte count and the reticulocyte production index. Those are hidden because there were no values in here. And then the iron related markers here, that section appears, but there's no value in there, so that's why it wasn't there when you do click hide rows. So it'll be a much cleaner report now. Only rows that will have values will be in the report. And same thing, it'll work. You click that, it'll pop up, and then pops up this modal, and then you click export to PDF the same way. And I did my best to try to condense the pages. So if there's a certain number of markers in each section, I'll try to pull the tables up on the previous page so there's not too many blank spaces. The hormones section at the end, there might be some blank space in that one if you don't have too many hormones. But if you see any mistakes or anything that's not, I don't know, not showing up, I tested it pretty thoroughly. But if there's if you see something that could be improved or anything, just let me know. All right, I appreciate it. Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.